Today in this video, I am going to giving you a review of FlexClip, which is an online video editing and video creating tool that allows you to create tons of videos within no time. Right now this too available on AppSumo with just $49 lifetime deal in which you are getting all of this feature. You can also see by yourself by clicking the link in the description box. Let's talk about what you are getting inside it. Now I am going to showing you anything one by one. This is the dashboard of this website. When you buy this deal you will be going to seeing this type of page. Here you can find your saved projects. If you come down you will find a search option where you can find hundreds of ready-to-use templates. In the below section you will find a different template, in different categories like these are, social media, slideshow, coronavirus, education, wedding, and more. Come down you will see different types of ready-use templates which you just need to choose and start making videos in no time. On the left side, you will see the FlexClip templates option. Click here. You will find different ready-to-use templates and you can also choose different categories like promotion, slideshow, intro outro, coronavirus, holidays, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and more. If we come back to the menu and start from scratch option here we are getting two different types of mode to make videos. One mode is a story mode in which we are getting a different type of editing options. And the second mode is called timeline mode in which we are getting a different type of editing option. First I am selecting a story mode. Now choose your ratio according to your needs, and click on OK. Now you are getting all these types of options like media, text, overlay, elements, backgrounds, audio, watermark, and more. In media, if you want to add media, you can add it from your own computer. You can also add stock media and you can also record a video of just for 10 minutes. In the next section, you are getting some basic text along with some dynamic type as you can see here. In the overlay option, you are getting some overlay for text, some overlays for decoration of your videos, and some intro-outro. It also comes with an element section, in which you are getting millions of elements, some are animatable. As you can see this is animated and you can search for different types of elements that you can use in your videos to make your videos more attractive. Similarly, in the background section, you are getting thousands of background videos, gradient effect background, technology background, and more. It also allows you to add stock music from its own library, which is premium, and you can also upload your own audio from the browser. In the watermark, you can add text watermark or image watermark. Like I am adding. I can reposition the watermark anywhere. In the last, you can change the ratio of your video into different sizes. Now, I am going to add some media. As you can see media, I have videos that will look like this. You will also have some more options, like video ratio, background, the color transformation of videos, rotation, flip, adjust. You can change the speed of your video. Now come to timeline mode. In timeline mode, you also have a media option, text option, overlay option, element, and background. You don't have many options because, in the timeline mode, you need to upload your own files, and you can also record your screen. Now if you are familiar with your video, click on export. Here you can export video into different sizes. 480p, 720p, 1080. You can also convert your video into a GIF. Name your video iamagainhere.com. Your video will be started exporting. Now let's talk about the deal available on AppSumo. You are getting all of these features, but keep in mind this is a little bit different from the actual side. Means you are getting 720 HD video download, but on their official website you can get up to 1080p. Here you can make videos in 8 languages, one stock video per project, but on their official website you can add up to different videos. You got a maximum of 50 projects, but on their official website, you can select different types of projects according to their pricing plan. You can also visit their official website by clicking the link in the description box. And you can see their AppSumo deal and their pricing plan on their official website. So, friends, I hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching this video.